Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be sharing you my Shein experience, and also I'm going to be unboxing because it already arrived. I ordered through the app of Shein and I'm really excited about it. I ordered a couple of stuff, and yeah, let's get straight right into the video. So here is the package, and as you can see, this is the one. And it took me like a week to receive my package, which is surprising because when I researched how long they ship, they are saying around at least 2 to 3 weeks. But I'm glad that it came as fast as I expected. So yeah, that's a plus. And also, by the way, I paid around 124 bucks. I forgot, but I'll just put here the receipt. And yeah, let's get to opening the box. This is the first item that I ordered, and I wonder what it is. So let's open this up. Oh yeah, it's a shorts, like an undershorts with a strap thing at the back. To give you a reference, I will show you the picture right here. So yeah guys, the first item is the shorts, and I believe this is like for undershorts, like if you wear skirt or something. Sorry. And this is the one. It has a crisscross style at the back, and this is it. I mean, the quality is really good. And yeah, let's move on to the next item, which is here. This is the next item. This is a 3D tattoo. So since I'm not allowed to have a tattoo, so I just purchased this one for the aesthetic or something, because I really want one. And it comes with the instructions right here. So yeah. And next item is this. It's 24 nails, self-adhesive nail tabs. So yeah, I'll show you the picture of how it looks like right here. Next item that I ordered is some bras, and I believe that it's a 5 packs. I'm not sure, but I'll have to check the website again, because like what I received is only 3 packs. These are the ones. So we've got a beige color, a gray color, and a black color. The quality of this is good. I really like the design as well, and the colors, because it's just a basic color. And yeah, I'm gonna have to check it first if is it really a 3 or 5 pack that I bought, because I'm confused now. Alright guys, sorry, I am an idiot. Actually, the 5 pack that I ordered is the underwear, and there's 3 packs of bra, so they didn't mess up my order. So yeah, this is the underwears that I bought. It's a five pack. Yeah, so I've got this color, this color, this color. I have white and I have black. So I'll show you how it looks like here, so you could see. And for me, the quality is really good for the price of it. And yeah, what to expect, it's just very lacy, because like from the description, it is what it is. So I'm happy about it. Next item is this. So this is a dress, and it's an open back dress and a deep plunge, and I'm really excited about this. So yeah, let's open it up. Guys, the dress is so gorgeous. I really love it. It has this, as the description says, it has a deep plunge on the front, and on the back is crisscross. I don't know if you can see that, but this is crisscross. I'm gonna show you the picture of what I ordered, so you'll have a better picture of it. But yeah, I'm so happy with the quality as well, and the color. I love everything about this dress. So here is the dress, guys. Like, it's so gorgeous. I love it. How do I get it? So yeah, here it is. I'm so happy with how it looks. Let me try to wear it. So guys, this is how it looks like when worn. Like, isn't it gorgeous? Like, it is so gorgeous, guys. I'm so happy with this. And of course, in this part, just show you a closer look. It really has this deep V, which I really like. This is the main purpose why I bought this. Yeah, it has a crisscross on the back. I don't know if I can show you that, but yeah, I'm so happy with the clothes, and it matches my hair and no, my headpiece. So yeah, guys, overall, I am happy with the service, and I'm happy with all the things I bought. The quality is good. Like they said, you get what you paid for. But this one is absolutely amazing. This cost only around 34 bucks, I believe, and it is really gorgeous. Like, see that? This is so gorgeous. So I'm happy with my purchase, guys, and yeah, I can recommend you to order through Shein, and I'm gonna be ordering again some stuff which I really love it. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys on my next video.